Okay? Spleen secretes saliva. Kanina, topic natin, spleen, Doc. The spleen governs the salivary glands and saliva. Digestion of the food we consume begins in the mouth and saliva aids this. An imbalance of the spleen may result in excessive or deficient secretion of saliva. Lawa yan, no? When the yin is in excess, there will be excessive saliva. And when yin is deficient, the saliva could be thick or the mouth would be dry. Okay. Ito yung tower diagram. Parotitis is a damp heat state of the spleen. Okay. Baka may mga parotitis. Ang treatment sa dry mouth or stomach indeficiency, pag local, use REN 24 and REN 23. Sa distal point, use LI4. Energy balancing, REN 12, the move front stomach, which tonifies the yin. Stomach 43 is the wood point of the stomach. It is the grandmother point, which tonifies the yin. Okay? Then po, make sure that the patient has no scar that blocks the REN and kidney meridians from flowing towards the face. This means the yin cannot come to the face. If there is such a scar yung ano yun eh, gawa ng mga wound, ganyan, scar. Then it needs to be unblocked simultaneously. Also, it may be that the patient has a blocked nose and breathes through the mouth. If so, points LI20 and GB, gallbladder 20, should be given in order to open the nose. If there are nasal polyps causing the block, then surgery needs to be considered. So ito naman po sa excessive salivation, sobrang dami ng laway. Excessive dampness in the spleen. Sa local, use SI17 or stomach 6. Sa distal point, use LI4. Symptomatic, stomach 40, it is the circulating point against dampness. Use the energy balancing, spleen 5 sedation. Ito yung sedation point. It sedates the yin. Okay? Yan po yung gagamitin natin points. Problems with appetite and hunger naman. The sensitivity is the taste. Okay? The spleen and stomach sense taste, which makes eating pleasant. Usually, those with a young dominant state have a more refined sense of taste. They like taste in their food and a beautiful looking meal. They also like their food not to be masked by too much flavor and like to taste the original flavors of the food they are eating. Generally, it is the young dominant earth types who feel more hungry. Madaling matakaw ba? And they cannot wait too long to eat when they are hungry. Gusto kumain agad. But they would still take their time to lay the table, decorate it with a flower, light a candle, and sit down to savor their small but beautiful meal. They would not settle for less. They like to eat in company and celebrate their food. So yung mga yin dominant people like to eat even if they are not hungry. When they want to eat, they don't want to wait for it for too long. They will put everything together and mix it up in one pot, which tastes all the same and looks all the same. Sama-sama, halo-halo. Or they will pull something out of a freezer and shove it in the microwave oven. Then they will pull it out and eat it earlier than the recommended time, as they are not willing to wait. Sitting with a book or on the TV, they will gobble the food, not enjoying the food but the eating. They also like to eat alone, mag-isa lang.